All right, guys, this is preparing the old birdhouse. This is for parents and staff. Hopefully staff goes through and does this right away. So what I want you to do is just get a red marker on the big roof pieces. I want you to color that red. And then color the other one red real quick. This way the students won't get confused. Okay, and then the side pieces, I want you to, it doesn't matter what color you do, I don't really care, but you can do blue on these ones. You got to make sure you keep these angles correct. Blue, where'd my other one go? There it is. Now these birdhouses probably all won't be perfect. There might be gaps, but it doesn't matter. The bird doesn't want to move in, it doesn't have to. It's free housing. All right, so you got your blue on those two, you got red on those two. This is your bottom, and these are your front and back. So now on the front and back, what I want you to do is on this part, just color it black. I don't really care. I guess if you did them all the same color, then when the students go to look at the video, then I suppose they can line up the colors. So you might want to stay the same colors. All right, now let me look at, I think I did. Oops. Just take one of these sides and it'll be the back side, I guess. Color that like that. Okay. There you go. That's the first part. Now what I want you to do, give you a second to catch up, is this is the tricky part, so make sure you get this right. Face this. So see how my black part, that's the bottom. See, that's the bottoms. So then what I want you to do is, this has to line up. Make sure when you guys do this, put these together later, that this edge right here has to go, oh, stupid camera, to here. So remember, this edge, blue, has to be out and away from the bottom. Man, this camera confuses me. Okay. So remember, this blue is away from the bottom. Okay. Do not start with the roof, because then you'll get it wrong. The dimensions will be wrong. So here it is like this. I put them both on here. Okay. See, that's how it's going to go. But how are you going to know where to nail it? So what you're going to do is put it back down. Remember your edge. You're going to put it right here like this. Sorry. It'll be wrong if you do it like that. Put it like this. Just run the edge. And then put a little X and a little X. And then do the same thing with this piece on this side. And why am I doing this? So you know where to nail, so the students know where to nail. And they don't miss. Just make sure you tell them that you're going to put it right into the X. So then when we put this on here, their nails will go through, okay? So there's that one. Now I'm going to do this one. Teachers, it would be so nice if you guys did this so parents didn't have to, but I guess we got so much darn paperwork that, I guess it's not paperwork, it's computer work, it's overwhelming. I guess I would understand. Okay, that's those. Okay, remember these are for the nails. Now, the top, here's the tricky part, okay? See how the top is bigger? But you want to know where. Now remember, this time, when you do this roof with the roof, the red is going to face in. The red should not face out. When I mean that, what I mean by that is if you look at the angle right here, that angle's got to go like that. I don't know if I can get it to, it's like, yeah, I'm confused. Okay, I hope you can see it. Other way. There you go. So it's going to be like that. Got it? Okay. So when I go to put the nails right through this spot, I need to line up where these are at, right? Because that's where the nails will go. So what I want is the front, whether it's the front or not, to be a little bit bigger. So this is the front. Now look at these lines right here. So easy way to do it is just go like this. If you have a speed square, and then, or you can just mark it. If you don't have a speed square, just mark a spot and mark a spot. Mark the spot. See this one? I guess if you look at this, you can see, oh my gosh. See how I got this overlapped? So the rain doesn't come down. And then the back is actually overlap too, a little bit here. So if you want to overlap it, then slide it a little, I guess. Let me erase that. Okay. And then I'll go from there. Make these a little narrower so you're less likely to miss with the nail. Now once I got those on there, just throw my straight edge on. Here, go here, put an X for 2 nails. Here, here, X, repeat the process again. So line up with these ones, so then you know it's going to be the same on the other side. So I'll still be fine. It's nice and narrow. Now trust me, you're gonna want to do this because I've already messed up. I've done 3 birdhouses already, and I've messed up all 3. I didn't mess them. I ended up, just trust me. It's gonna make it easier for the students. So put your X's on those, X on those, X on that, X on there. So now what you got? That's it. Okay. You might want to just write on this one, this little tiny piece. Just write bottom. When you make these, you might end up with gaps. I said, oh well, yeah, I got a gap there, big deal. You can just fill it in with a little bit of wood glue if you wanted to, or hot glue, it doesn't matter. Okay, so this is what the end product will look like. And let me go through, let's see, make sure we got it all. So, go down, you put this on here, nail that on, put this on here. I just hope I didn't forget any parts, because I'm going to go through and have to do this one too. Bottom, that's it. Good, that's it. That's all you got to do, okay? And you just put it back in the group. You're done, okay? That's the how-to video on Diamond Birdhouse. All right, thanks, bye.